Yo, whoever told you that the only way that you can make money as an unsigned artist is to have a hit, they're very misinformed, or they just flat out lied to you. You just gotta get to the information. Let's get to it. Yo, what up my fellow techers? This Architect Mr. J bringing you another informative video. If you want to be a part of the tech gang, hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you'll be updated on new videos, music, and beats. No, you do not need a hit to make money as a musician, artist, rapper, songwriter, producer, all that. It would be nice, everybody does want a hit, but nah, there's other ways to get around that. Here are 4 ways that you can make money as a musician, a rapper, a songwriter, an artist, producer, anything pertaining to music. Number 4, use your free outlets on social media. Instagram is free, YouTube is free, Facebook is free, Twitter is free. It's just there, it's free. Why not use it? I know it can be stressful, like nobody's hearing your music or whatnot, but in order to make the best out of these platforms, whatever that you're using the most, study and Google the algorithm of that site. Google and YouTube are like your best friends. Number 3, submit your music to these playlists out here, man. Those playlists are really strong. But before you submit them, make sure your music is registerered. Sign up for BMI or ASCAP or whatever publishing company that you want to get with. Then once you register your music, sign up for DistroKid, which is $19.99 a year for unlimited songs and albums. I'll post a link up in the description. These playlists are so important because people, like, that's how you find new music. They have some playlists that you gotta pay for and there are some free ones. I'm gonna post a link in the description as well for those free playlists that you can submit to. Some of them be having like 100,000 subscribers. That's very useful and it's free, why not? You get your song on a pretty good sized playlist, those streams are gonna go up. If you have them on pretty much every platform or even Spotify or Tidal or Apple Music, those playlists matter because that's streaming money that you're missing out on. Number 2, sell music services on soundbetter.com. Soundbetter.com is one of those websites where whatever type of music that you do, you can sell those services on there and people will pay for them. People are looking for songwriters, people are looking for producers, people are looking for verses, for hooks. People are even looking for piano players, they're looking for horn players, compositions that they can't do themselves. And you can charge them whatever you want to charge them, as long as you have the talent to do so. I'm kidding. Number 1, license your music through TV and film. A lot of people sleep on music syncing and TV and film. You can literally have your music on your favorite TV show. You can have your music on different movies, all that type of stuff. You just gotta know where to submit. I got a list of sites that you can submit music to for TV and film. There's SongTrade, there's Taxi.com, there's Music Gateway, there's Centric Music, and there's Music X-Ray. These networks, these companies, they're buying music and songs all the time. Alright, you gotta think about this. TV shows and movies are being shot year-round, all the time. Music is always needed. So that song that you've been sitting on for years, you got about hundreds of songs probably sitting on your computer. Use them, submit them for TV and film. Sometimes they pay an upfront fee for your song, and you also get royalties off of sync fees. You negotiate the percentage that you want, and then you make sure that all your music is registered. Because what happens is when somebody hears a song that they like, let's say it's your song on a TV show, they're gonna pull out Shazam and scan whatever that song is. They're gonna go stream it or buy it. So now you're getting paid off of streaming, iTunes, Spotify, Tidal, and you're going to get paid off of licensing and sync royalties. The TV and film syncing and license royalties pays out 4 times a year. So you're getting a check 4 times a year off of your music that you've been sitting on for years. What are you waiting on? Unless the songs are not up to par, submit that music. And then that's not even including selling beats, doing songwriting for other people. Now that you got placements, you got clout. You get your song placed on a big TV show or a big movie, you can raise your price and make more money because people are going to reach out to you because of the name. This is Architect Mr. J with another video, and I want to thank you for tuning in. Those were my 4 ways of making as an unsigned artist or indie. To stay updated on all new music, new beats, updates, hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. Peace!